It's really not a secret recipe. A little butter, flour, sugar, and a lot of positivity. Honestly, it always works for me. That's why I got enough to go around.